Hi guys, welcome back. Hope everybody's doing well. So I just posted a video. I'm kind of getting everything done. It's the beginning of the month. I posted a video. I did a Dollar Tree haul. So I didn't order too much from Amazon. I have this and some other packages. So let's get into it. Let's see what we have. I ordered the sugar-free bread again. This is delish. My favorite. Another favorite. Period. Oh, I ordered these this last week. This is delicious. Oh, I bought some pickles. I've been craving a tuna melt, so I'm gonna make that. Almond butter is way too expensive, guys, but I'm on keto, so almond butter it is. Bought some avocados to make some avocado toast with my sugar-free bread. And then the last bag. Oh, I got some coconut milk. Just for a little change. Yep, another pack of these. These are absolutely amazing. Super delicious, super convenient, super versatile. Tuna wraps, lettuce wraps, fajitas, ground beef. I can go on and on. Yep, Kerrygold butter. And that is it for that. And I have a few more packages. Okay, so I ordered some more monk fruit. This is pretty affordable from Amazon. It was about $9.99 for 16 ounces, and it tastes pretty good. Not open, sold as case. Okay. Oh, this is cute. This is, I love it. This is super cute for cold weather morning. This is salad dressing. Wow, pretty impressive. Okay. Sir Kensington. Period. Child, that's a lot. It better taste good. Alright, we're gonna use this today, and I will let you guys know how it tastes. Oh, this is some more Splenda. This one has no sugar, no corn syrup. Some almonds. I'll probably roast these for an hour and a half. sugar-free, pure life. And